So after days of torrential rain, we decided to take a gamble and head out into Farnham to celebrate Bonfire Night. Such a quaint little town. I haven't been here since I was with Jess in, I was going to say 1920 and 2020. Heading off to the display, which should be just down the road here. I believe they have a candle, like a torchlit procession to where the fireworks are taking place. Hopefully it'll be all good, but very wet day today. We arrived too early, so decided to get out of the rain, and this little wine bar was the perfect spot. It was dark by the time we arrived at the car park, and we could hear the sound of bagpipes playing all around us. We scanned our tickets and got our wristbands ready for the event. So we're at the event. We're waiting to get the procession started. We've got our torches, they're going to be set on fire soon. So, this is what's happening on the 5th of November.
Gunpowder, treason and plot.
Gunpowder, treason and plot. We are waiting for it to start. There's people queuing for these. They've got like basically these cool little torches. These ones which you can set on fire. Also got like kind of flashy lights as well and that kind of thing. So the idea is we're going to process through the town, heading to the park where there's going to be a big bonfire and lots of fireworks hopefully, so it'll be fun.
Don't borrow some of your fire. Oh no! Yeah. Oh no! I'm so sorry. It's okay.
So after Tig ended up extinguishing other people's flames, we all got together and it was a team effort to light all the candles. So we have our fire.
Oh!
So we made our way to Farnham Park, which is a 20-minute walk from the car park. We're just walking through Farnham town centre right now, and everyone's kind of got their fire. And there was drummers and people on the bagpipe there. I think at the very front of the queue, so you can't hear them from where we are. The rain is on and off, so it's a bit of a shame. Still good. Remember, 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. And my candle is still intact, despite the weather. It was so cool seeing all the flames flickering through the town.
This is the last of the fire sticks.
But the rain's got the better of us. So we arrived at Farnham Park to the sound of drumming. We all gathered in front of the bonfire, and despite the heavy rain, we managed to have an amazing fire. The smoke was pluming, it wasn't long before it was ablaze, and the whole sky was bright orange. For those of you that don't know, Bonfire Night commemorates a failed assassination attempt from over 400 years ago. On the 5th of November 1605, Guy Fawkes and a group of Catholics tried to assassinate King James I by blowing up Parliament's House of Lords. So remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. So after lots of dancing around, we decided we'd grab some food. That's been pretty cool. Band are playing. And we're gonna get ourselves some food. There was candy floss, there was coffee, there was even Thai food, and of course some churros. But what we really fancied was a hot dog. So we waited in line only to find out that they'd sold out of hot dogs, and all that was left was some onions. So we queued at the hot dog stand and they've all sold out now. They just wanted to buy some onions. The ground has turned to sludge. That is grass, or was grass. We're trying to get out now and not fall over, which is quite challenging.
It's very slippery.
Yes, it was a fun night, wasn't it?
It was pretty awesome. Really cool vibe. The fireworks, the bonfire, everything was awesome. Really cool.
Yeah, I love the big finale. Shame about the weather though, it's a little bit wet. It's still raining now, spitting, I don't know if you can tell. As Tig said, it didn't stop anyone else coming out and having fun. UK, we're hardcore rain, wind, snow, we've got it covered. So that was a really cool display. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we're gonna go and find somewhere to munch. So we decided to go and get some food elsewhere, and we're amazed that we managed to find somewhere on a Saturday night last minute like this. It was so nice to get out of the rain. So to start with, we decided to go for some flatbread and olives. So while Tig chowed down on that flatbread, I slurped on an immune boosting smoothie. So Tig had the burger, which was really, really tasty, and there was a whiskey that you could squirt inside, which gave it a lovely flavour from what Tig said. He really enjoyed this burger. So I decided to go for something a little bit more healthy, and I went for the butternut squash and spinach lasagna, which incidentally is completely gluten-free. Now for something a little bit less healthy, a chocolate brownie, a triple chocolate brownie to be precise, which Tig absolutely loved and devoured. I saw these delightful donuts which I had to try. It came with chocolate and caramel sauce. The caramel was my absolute favourite. It was so sweet and delicious, and the donuts were warm, soft and gooey. Perfect dessert. So the food was so good, really, really nice. And Tig last minute found a 20% off, so we had 20% off. Now we're just trying to find the car. There's a car park here, so I think we're close, but we're just, it's a little bit disorientating because we did that kind of torchlit procession as well, so we're a little bit lost. Not lost, but lost. Hope you guys enjoyed celebrating Guy Fawkes with us. So from us in Farnham, take care and happy Guy Fawkes night. Bye.